Hey guys! Making money from building YouTube channels is a pretty common method in the MMO community. So, what about earning money from watching videos on YouTube? Have you guys tried it yet? Today, I'm going to introduce you to a website where you can earn money by watching videos on YouTube, and I'll guide you on how to get organic traffic accessing your links. ShrinkEarn is a website for shortening URLs. When other users watch a video or visit a website from these shortened URLs, they have to watch ads. That's how ShrinkEarn earns money, and you guys get paid for sharing these links with more people. The more people click on the link, watch the ad, and then watch the target video, the more money you'll earn. Below is the price list for every 1,000 views that ShrinkEarn pays its users. The country with the highest bonus rate is Greenland with $20, followed by the US with $14 and the UK with $11. But Greenland's population is only around 60,000 people, guys. It's best for you to fake your IP to the US to create an account. For other countries, the rates vary from $3.5 to $10 per 1,000 views. The proportion of users from different countries will affect the amount you receive. Ad blocking extensions also need to be turned off because ads won't display otherwise. Views are only counted when others click on the shortened link, watch the entire ad, and then watch the video on the destination page. Note that viewers must be unique within 24 hours. This means that if you create a large number of accounts on the same device, even if you change IP addresses and then click and watch videos from the link, ShrinkEarn will only count it as one view. If you want to create accounts from countries with high rate of views from the same device, you can refer to how to use Hidemyacc and proxies. I've talked about this in quite a few videos. Next, I'll guide you on how to register an account on ShrinkEarn. I'll use a Hidemyacc profile, add a US proxy to create a US account. Open ShrinkEarn and then select Sign Up to create a new account. You guys can use MailTM for registration. Enter username, password, and then click Create to finish. You can register the remaining accounts through the affiliate link of the first account to receive a 20% commission. To earn money on ShrinkEarn, the most important thing is to have many people click on the link and watch the video. So, choosing the right topic is crucial. You guys can check out YouTube Trending to see what topics are currently trending. For example, the gaming topic, Minecraft, is one of the famous games with a large user community. Search for the keyword Minecraft on YouTube, and you guys can find many videos with hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. The Minecraft community operates on many platforms, from forums, Facebook, to Reddit, and so on. You guys can refer to the steps to earn money with ShrinkEarn on Minecraft as follows. First, search for a video and then copy its link. Then, go to ShrinkEarn in the dashboard section, select New Shorten Link, paste the copied YouTube link, edit the title, and then click on Shorten. Now, you guys have a new shortened link. Just copy this link and start seeding in communities. For example, there's a Minecraft subreddit on Reddit with over 7 million members. Join this subreddit and start seeding. You don't necessarily have to post, just find the posts currently viral in the subreddit and then paste the link. For example, something like, "Check out this funny video, I can't stop laughing." Remember to include the shortened link. When others click on the link, ads will continuously display. Only after the ads finish will the video on YouTube be played. This is just one example to help you guys understand how to earn money on ShrinkEarn. If you can't get organic traffic, then create multiple accounts and run scripts to auto-click on the links. Remember, each account should have its own IP address and login on one Hidemyacc profile. Avoid having ShrinkEarn detect multiple accounts, or else it won't count your clicks as unique. Thanks, guys, for watching the whole video. If you want to learn more about money-making tips, don't forget to follow my channel. See you in the next videos.